Health is wealth. Welcome to Abundantly Vegan. Okay, what would you like to invest in today?
Hey, love and laughter, peace and plants. Yes, go ahead. I want to start with the Mother Nature nachos. Yes, let me get the Mother Nature nachos with the cashew ease. Oh, and the walnut meat. Yes, the walnut meat.
Great choice. Would there be anything else?
With a side of mozzarella sticks. Yes. Oh, okay. Y'all got that politely pulled pork.
We sure do.
Okay. Is it tender?
Tender as a breastfeed nipple.
Okay, let me get that politely pulled pork. Okay.
I see how you healing. You must be abundant.
Honey, that prosperity pulled up.
Namaste, Ashe.
Yeah, that's why I'm here at Abundantly Vegan. Health as well.
Anything else I can get for you?
Okay, let me get this mushroom glam burger. Yes. With the freedom fries.
Ashe. Extra crispy.
Extra crispy. You already know. Extra crispy.
Okay, that'll be an extra $222.
Well, I'm gonna need to lubricate my throat chakra. Oh, let me get this root chakra beer. Yes, come through. Okay. Oh, I'm about to be over here. Real healing over here. Yes.
You better invest.
Health as well.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
Okay, let me see what else. Ooh. Oh, y'all got that tuna?
Straight from the aquafaba.
I got that tuna. Oh, let me get some tuna with a side of crackers. Yeah.
You show eating in abundance.
Oh, this is a lot. Am I going over?
It's giving vegan big bag.
You right. Let me pull a card. Let me find out. Let me pull a card. Should I get more? Should I order more food?